For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a carpet cleaning business can be a profitable venture, especially when paired with the power of free AI tools. These technologies can help you plan, brand, market, and operate your business with little or no upfront investment in professional services. Below is a step-by-step guide that outlines exactly how to launch this kind of business with the help of free AI, from idea to implementation. Step 1. Research the carpet cleaning industry. Begin by understanding the market demand in your area. Use free AI tools like Google Bard, U.com, or ChatGPT to conduct industry research. These tools can summarize trends, list top competitors, and predict future demand. Prompt for ChatGPT. Summarize current trends and opportunities in the carpet cleaning industry for small business owners in your city. Also, use Google Trends to see how often people search for carpet cleaning services in your area. This will give you insight into local demand and seasonality. Step 2. Write a business plan using AI. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to create a professional business plan. This plan should include your mission, market analysis, services, pricing, and financial projections. AI tools can generate this quickly if you feed them the right prompt. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a simple carpet cleaning business plan for a solo entrepreneur targeting residential customers in your city. Include startup costs, equipment list, pricing strategy, and a 6-month financial forecast. This step is critical as it forces you to think through the logistics and helps when applying for licenses or funding. Step 3. Choose a business name and register it. Use a free AI power name generator like Namelyx or Loca. These tools use machine learning to suggest catchy business names based on your keywords. Prompt for Namelyx. Carpet cleaning, eco-friendly, fast service, residential focus. Once you have a name, search your local business registry to ensure it's available, and then register it officially. You may also need an EIN from the IRS, which you can apply for online at no cost. Step 4. Design your logo and branding. You can use Canva's AI-powered logo maker or Loca's branding tools to create a logo. Canva also helps you design flyers, social media headers, and other marketing materials with easy-to-use templates and AI-powered design suggestions. Prompt for Canva's magic design. Create a professional and friendly carpet cleaning logo using green and blue colors. Brand consistency is important to look professional from day one. Step 5. Get the right equipment and supplies. Use ChatGPT to make an optimized equipment list that balances quality and budget. Some items to consider include a carpet extractor, vacuum, eco-friendly cleaning solutions, brushes, and protective gear. Prompt for ChatGPT. List essential, affordable equipment for starting a carpet cleaning business on a budget under $2,000. You can then search for used or refurbished equipment locally or online to reduce startup costs. Step 6. Handle legal and insurance requirements. Each city or county may require different permits. ChatGPT can help you identify typical licenses needed. Prompt for ChatGPT. What licenses and permits do I need to start a residential carpet cleaning business in your county, state? Also, use AI-driven legal help sites like Do Not Pay to generate basic legal documents or help you with filing steps. Insurance is also necessary. Look for business liability insurance, which covers property damage or injury while working in a client's home. Step 7. Build your website using AI. AI website builders like Durable.co or Bookmark allow you to generate an entire business website in under 30 minutes. These tools write text, insert images, and arrange pages based on your business type. Prompt for Durable. Build a website for a carpet cleaning business in your city, offering same-day service and eco-friendly cleaning. Make sure the site includes your contact info, pricing, service descriptions, and customer testimonials once you get them. Step 8. Create your marketing strategy with AI. Use ChatGPT or Copy.ai to draft your digital marketing plan. These tools can help write social media posts, email campaigns, and blog content. Use MailChimp's free plan to start email outreach. For social media scheduling, use Buffer's free AI assistant to plan posts. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a 30-day digital marketing plan for a carpet cleaning business targeting homeowners and renters in your city. Include Instagram and Facebook ideas. You can also use Canva AI to design flyers, coupons, and door hangers for print marketing. AI-generated QR codes can be used on flyers to drive people to your website or booking page. Step 9. Set up booking and customer management tools. Use TidyCal, Calendly, or Square appointments to allow customers to book services online. Many of these have free tiers that integrate with your website and send automatic reminders. To manage customer details, use Airtable AI to create a lightweight CRM system that tracks clients, follow-ups, and job history. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a simple Airtable CRM template for managing customer contacts, past carpet cleaning jobs, and reviews. Step 10. Start promoting your business locally. Use AI to help write classified ads, post on neighborhood forums, and reach out to realtors or property managers. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can help craft cold emails and outreach messages. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a friendly email introducing my carpet cleaning business to local property managers and offering a 20% discount for first-time service. Also, ask AI to help create scripts for phone calls and follow-up messages for customers to increase repeat business. Step 11. Collect and showcase reviews. After every job, follow up with customers and request a review. Use AI to help write review request messages and even automate responses to reviews on Google or Yelp. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a polite text message asking a customer for a Google review after a carpet cleaning job. You can also use free tools like Reputation Stacker, Trial, to automate review collection and monitor your online reputation. Conclusion. Starting a carpet cleaning business is now easier and more affordable than ever thanks to the accessibility of free AI tools. From planning and branding to marketing and scheduling, AI can guide you at each stage. With a little research, effort, and the right prompts, you can launch a professional business that's equipped to grow fast, serve your community, and turn a strong profit without high upfront costs. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.